In a small town surrounded by fields and quiet streets, there lived a boy named Arjun. He was 16, curious, funny, and full of dreams. But if you asked his teachers, they'd all say the same thing: he's smart, but lazy. Arjun sat in the last row of his classroom, often gazing out the window instead of at the blackboard. While others took notes, he doodled cricket bats and footballs in his notebook. His report cards always looked the same, a mix of red marks and tired remarks from teachers. Lacks focus. Needs discipline. At home, his mother, Mira, worked long hours as a tailor. She never complained, even when her fingers hurt from stitching late into the night. Every evening, she'd ask softly, "Did you finish your homework, Arjun?" And every evening he'd mumble, "Almost, Ma," even though he hadn't started. Deep down, Arjun wanted to change. He wanted to make her proud, but every time he tried, something stopped him. Laziness, distractions, or just that tiny voice that said, "Tomorrow will be better." But tomorrow never came. One day, when the exam results were announced, Arjun's name was near the bottom of the list. He tried to laugh it off with his friends, but inside it hurt. That night, when he came home, his mother was sitting quietly by the sewing machine. She didn't scold him, didn't shout. She just handed him a small old diary and said, "Arjun, you can't change your life overnight, but you can change your days." Those words stuck in his mind long after she turned off the light. That night, for the first time, Arjun opened the diary. The first page was blank, just like his life felt at that moment. He picked up a pen and wrote 3 words. "Tomorrow I'll start." The next morning, Arjun woke up to the sound of his mother calling, "It's 7 o'clock, you'll be late again." But this time, something felt different. He looked at the diary on his table. The page that said, "Tomorrow I'll start." He rubbed his eyes, smiled a little, and whispered, "All right. Let's start." That day, instead of rushing out of bed and running late as usual, he made his bed, brushed on time, and even sat at the table with his books before school. It wasn't much, but it felt new. In his diary, he wrote that night, "Goal: study 30 minutes daily. No excuses." The first 2 days went fine. The third day, he felt bored. The fourth, he wanted to skip. By the 5th day, he actually forgot. But when he looked at the blank space in his diary, guilt crept in. It wasn't a teacher scolding him, it was himself. So he picked up the pen again and wrote, "Missed a day. Start again." Each day became a small battle. Some days he won, some days he lost, but he always came back. Slowly, those 30 minutes turned into an hour. His handwriting got neater. His attention in class improved. Even his teacher, Mr. Sinha, noticed and said gently one afternoon, "Arjun, you've changed a little." "What's happening?" Arjun shrugged and smiled. "Just trying to do things properly, sir." Mr. Sinha smiled back and said something that stayed in Arjun's heart forever. "You don't need to be perfect, Arjun. Just be a little better than yesterday." Those words became his new rule. Day by day, Arjun's small habits began to shape his thinking. He stopped blaming teachers, stopped waiting for motivation. He realized that even a single page of study, one extra effort, one completed task, it all mattered. And somewhere along the way, without even noticing, Arjun stopped chasing motivation and started building discipline. Weeks turned into months. The diary that once had blank pages was now filled with small goals and tiny victories. Arjun began waking up earlier, finishing his homework on time, and even helping his mother before school. His friends were surprised. One of them joked, "Arjun, what happened? You used to be the king of laziness." He laughed, but deep inside he felt proud. For the first time, he wasn't trying to impress anyone. He was doing it for himself. But soon came a real test. It was a week before the final exams. Everyone was tense, cramming lessons at the last minute. Arjun had been studying regularly, but that Friday evening, his best friend Rohit came running to his house, waving 2 movie tickets. "Come on, Arjun! It's the new superhero film. We've been waiting for months. One night won't make a difference." Arjun looked at the tickets, then at his diary lying open on the table. That day's goal was already written. Revise math chapters 3 and 4. His heart pulled him both ways. Fun or focus, excitement or effort. He almost gave in. He almost said yes. But then, he remembered his teacher's words, "Be a little better than yesterday." He took a deep breath and said softly, "Go ahead without me, Rohit. I'll join next time." His friend was shocked. "Are you serious?" Arjun just nodded, smiling. "Yeah, I promised myself something. I can't break it now." That night, as he studied, he realized something powerful. Discipline wasn't about being strict or boring. It was about keeping promises to yourself. For the first time in his life, he felt strong, not because of marks or praise, but because he finally trusted himself. Exam week arrived. The air in school was heavy with nervousness. Students carried notes, whispered formulas, and prayed under their breath. But Arjun felt something new, a quiet calm. He wasn't afraid anymore. He had done his part every single day. There was no last-minute panic, no sleepless nights, just peace. When the question paper came, he smiled. It wasn't easy, but he could remember everything he had revised. Page after page, he wrote confidently. It felt like his hand was moving on its own, steady and sure. After the exams, Arjun didn't think much about results. He just went back to his routine, waking early, writing goals, ticking them off. He realized the joy was in the doing, not the waiting. A few weeks later, the results were announced. Students rushed to the notice board, shouting and cheering. Arjun stood quietly at the back, scanning the list. When he saw his name, he froze. His marks had jumped from 55% to 82%. For a moment, he couldn't believe it. He didn't scream or run. He just smiled. A deep, proud smile. He walked home slowly that day, diary in his hand. When he showed the result to his mother, tears filled her eyes. She hugged him tightly and whispered, "I knew you could do it, Arjun." You just needed to start that night. Arjun opened his diary again. On the last page, he wrote, "Discipline changed me." Not in a day, but every day he closed the diary and placed it near his bed. It wasn't just a notebook anymore. It was a map of how he found himself. Months passed. The rainy season came again, washing the dust off the streets and filling the air with a new freshness. Arjun was no longer the same boy who sat in the last row, doodling and dreaming. He had changed, quietly, steadily. Every morning, he still woke up early, made his bed, helped his mother, and wrote in his diary. Only now his goals were bigger. Prepare for entrance exams. Read 10 pages of a new book. Teach my junior for 1 hour. Discipline had become a part of him. Not a rule, but a rhythm. He realized something powerful. Discipline didn't take away freedom. It created it. Because now he could trust himself to do what needed to be done. Sometimes his friends would ask, "How do you stay so focused all the time?" He would just smile and reply, "It's not about focus. It's about showing up, even when I don't feel like it." The old diary still sat on his study table. Its pages were worn, ink smudged, corners folded, but every line carried a piece of his growth. One night, as he looked at it before sleeping, he whispered, "That's the real secret. Discipline doesn't make life easy. It makes you stronger." He turned off the light and drifted to sleep, calm and content, knowing that tomorrow he would wake up and keep going. Because that's what discipline does. It keeps you moving forward, one small step at a time. This story teaches us 3 important lessons. Discipline builds confidence. The truth is, when you keep small promises to yourself, you start believing in your own strength. Small daily steps create big change. Remember, success doesn't come from one big effort. It's built quietly, through what you do every single day. Discipline is self-respect. Life shows us that when you care about your future, you stop making excuses and start keeping your word to yourself.